Hey guys, what's up? No videos. I know, busy with school, but I'm gonna be going on summer vacation soon. For 2 months at my mom's house up in Vancouver, Washington. Taking a computer with me. I don't want to take my main computer. I know it's got a bunch of stuff on top of it. But I don't want to take that main computer with me on the plane and everything. So I'm sitting here. I got parts lined up for the next build I'm gonna be doing. Nothing spectacular. I've got an Asus P5Q motherboard. The CPU's already on there. I already bench tested the board. I repackaged everything up just to purpose of this video. But the board has been bench tested. The I/O shield plate. Got a DVI to VGA adapter, and then we have you can see this. It's a 9500 GT. Nothing special, just enough to basic Windows. I don't know if you guys can see this either. Yeah, this is a 500 gigabyte Seagate drive, and it's going to be accompanied by a 40 gigabyte notebook hard drive. This actually has Mac OS installed on it, so it's a Hackintosh computer. These two other drives are not needed. Got 4 gigs of RAM, DDR2. We got just a pretty standard serial ATA DVD drive. Nothing spectacular there. Got a 500 watt RAID max power supply. Got a wireless keyboard and mouse, which I don't have on the desk right now. Got a Bluetooth adapter. Some cables. And then obviously I have Windows 7. Haven't got a case yet. It's the only thing I'm waiting for, but I got everything I need. Yeah, so this is just a quick little video of to get outside. It's so dark I'm using the iPhone, and there's no light above me. The light's over there, over back there. No lights here, so sorry guys. A lot of this stuff is junk, by the way. But yeah. Another thing I've been working on, so get some more light here. It's an older computer, it's a Gateway. Been trying to get this thing back up and running. It's got a CPU fan, it's got some RAM, it's got a power supply. Only it needs a video card because the onboard video controller I know is dead. You get a video card for that. And hard drive. That's gonna be probably a server, probably for games. Yeah, and then also if I come over here, I got another motherboard. This motherboard is probably going to end up for a printing server. You need a CPU, just got no CPU. It's got a whole lot of nothing, actually. Hang on guys, bear with me for a second. I did pick up 2 gigs of RAM for it. I know it's not the right box. I picked it up from a friend. I put it in this box to keep it safe. PC2 6400. Motherboard supports the max of that. Yeah. It's got 8-channel audio. Older board, nothing new, but I can build off of it. And that's going inside this case right here. Got an empty case. And we got the shield plate. So yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna have 5 computers, including my laptop, which is at Best Buy being fixed. If you guys have any comment, go ahead and leave me a comment or PM me. So yeah, I'll have some few videos up as I'm building my computer I'm taking with me. Maybe have videos on this build. I need to get a processor for it still, and I need to get everything for this computer except for the motherboard pretty much. The other Gateway, this needs hard drive and a CD drive. and my other computer is pretty much good to go except for a chassis. That computer was running for a while, you guys saw it, but I just picked up a few new parts for it for the trip. I figured, you know what, it'll be worth it. I have a computer with me. Anyway, yeah, just a quick video from the iPhone, and hope you guys enjoy, and hope to have more videos after school's out. I got 26 days and counting. Talk to you guys later. Peace.